We've all seen AirPods and AirPods Pro, but seeing colored Apple devices, these different colored ones, I'd like to show you who made those, a little unboxing of them, and where you can get them if you're interested. This is more going to be a review of the product rather than the AirPods Pro, but let's get straight into this. These AirPods are from Craft by Merlin, and these aren't skinned AirPods, these are custom painted ones, just like the ones that you'd get from Colorware. They also come in a multitude of color options, and you can also choose to put whatever text you want on there, so I guess you could put something like that. Joking aside though, their price comes in at $500. Now, I wasn't actually able to unbox this firsthand, it was already unboxed before by a friend who lent this to me, but this is more or less what the unboxing experience is like. Like I said before, these AirPods haven't been skinned, they are custom painted, and the fit and finish is truly beautiful. On the back of the box you'll find the words, "You are unique, and so should be your gadgets." That slogan seems to be the driving motive for these products. They'd like to give you a unique look so that you can stand out from the crowd. The unboxing experience isn't anything too different than what you'd probably be expecting. It comes in a custom box with the original box inside. Sliding the tab open and removing the covers will allow you to get to the box. After it's finally out of that box, you lift the lid and you'll find your usual paperwork, and of course, under the paperwork is your custom AirPods. They come with this little plastic cover over it for protection, I'd guess, and removing that, you have access to your AirPods Pro. The rest of the stuff in the box is just like the normal AirPods Pro. The unboxing doesn't end there. Lift up that tab and you'll find a cable and the extra ear tips. The cable coming with the AirPods Pro are actually Pro, I guess. They're Lightning to USB-C. They plug straight into my MacBook, so thank you, Apple. The tips that come pre-installed on the AirPods Pro are of the medium size, so if those are too small or too big for you, well, you can always swap them out for these smaller big ones included. If you happen to misplace these, well, you can go to the Apple Store and get replacement tips for just $4. And finally, what you've been waiting to see, the AirPods Pro. They've got this really beautiful, soft, matte finish, and after the past week of using them, I really don't see the paint chipping off anytime soon. I really like the color combo on the AirPods Pro. The white ear tips, the black accents, and the red AirPods go really well together. Oh, and don't worry, the paint doesn't cover any of the sensors, so the AirPods work exactly how they're supposed to. Here, take a closer look. As far as my first impressions would go, these sound really good, and the noise cancelling on these is absolutely mind-blowing, and they fit really well in the ear too. As usual, the case that comes with them provides extra battery life for the AirPods. On the left is the normal AirPods case, and on the right is the AirPods Pro case. They're around the same size. If you're one of those people that deems it necessary to stand out from the crowd and be unique, well, these are a perfect buy. The quality is top-notch, and if you're willing to pay the premium, well, these are really good. And that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've got any questions that you'd like to ask me for the full review, leave them down in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.